All right, so let's start with number 1, and here they're just asking for the degrees of freedom. And remember that is going to be r minus 1 times columns minus 1. Okay, so we are looking for the favorite type of color and music. All right, so we have color and music. All right, so the possible colors are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I get that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the possible types of music are rock, rap, country. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. So it's going to be 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. So there are 9 degrees of freedom. And really, don't get caught up what's a row and what's a column, because remember 4 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 4. All right, so let's go over here to number 2. And which of the following expressions gives the expected number of those who earned a high school diploma and who are employed full-time? So here's employed full-time, and what did they say? Earned at least a high school diploma. Okay, so remember that it is going to be the row column total, the column total divided by the grand total. So it has to be divided by 157, so these guys are out. So it's 92 times 82 divided by 157, so the answer is B. Okay, let's come over here to number 3. And here they want us to, it's just the expected values, and they say find the expected of males who are left-handed. So do you see that they want us to find this cell right here? Now remember what I told you, that if the observed add up to 60, the expected value should add up to 60. So we're going to work on this backwards, and I'm just going to get another color. And so I know that males plus females add up to 48. So then males must be 48 minus 25.15. And so I get 22.85. And now I know that 22.85 plus 30, plus left-handed has to add up to 30. So to find left-handed, I'm going to do 30 minus 22.85. And I get 715. Okay, did you see how I had to do it twice? Just subtract twice. Okay, describe the shape of a chi-square distribution. I just want you to know about it. And so basically that is skewed towards, you can either say to the right, or you could say that it's skewed towards higher numbers. Okay, let's go do the last one. Okay, so here, hopefully that you realize this is a goodness of fit. And we have a total of 60 people, and these 3 numbers add up to 60. And they say that half of the population will have brown eyes. Half will have brown eyes. So 60 times 1/2 is equal to 30. So my expected value is going to be 30. And then they say the remaining was split in half. Okay, so 60 times 1/4 is 15. So this should be 15, and this should be 15. Okay, now I'm just going to go put this into my calculator to find out what the math is. And so I get the chi-squared calc is equal to 1.6. So at least 1, but less than 10. So the answer is B. Now you need to make sure you know how to find expected values, for goodness of fit and for chi-square, especially when it's weighted, and especially if I tell you like you're rolling a die or having a distractor, you need to know how to find that. If you need help with that, you come in for tutoring.